Hi, this is Ben Rowell from Highway 3 Angler in Alaska's Susitna Valley. Today I'm going to be tying the Polar Bunny Leech in purple and pink. Looks like this. Going to start off with a Daiichi 1/0 2441 hook. And I'm going to put about 15 wraps of lead 0.035 lead wire on there. Have some pink 8/0 Vise thread. I'll start behind the eye. I'm going to do some large wraps over the lead wire to secure that in place. And come back to just in front of the barb. For the tail, I'm going to tie in a 2.5 inch piece of this two-tone rabbit strip in purple and pink. Next, I'm going to tie in a 6-inch strip of this UV polar chenille in purple. And on top of that, I'm going to tie in just some purple rabbit strip, about 6-inch piece. Bring the thread forward. I'm going to wrap the chenille and the rabbit strip together, stroking the fibers back. Three wraps and trim this off. Next, I'm going to put on a strung guinea feather in hot pink as a collar. I'm going to tie that in by the tip. Hackle pliers on there. I'm going to fold back these fibers as I wrap away from me. Push these back. Fold back these fibers and build up a nice head here. I'm just going to brush this out a little bit. There you have the Polar Bunny Leech.